new home on GTV. Yes. It will premiere on September 22, Sunday, 10 a.m. And then the next day, meron siyang streaming on GMA's YouTube channel, and we will also air on GMA Live TV. So I'm very, very proud of the show. You know, for so many years, diba, after the pandemic, we are still here. And the goal of the show is really to uplift the image of the Filipinos and to really inspire the Filipinos. Kasi diba, so many bad news all around. Overall, we just want kahit mga 30 minutes lang na meron tayong good vibes and talagang ma-capture namin yung tibok ng pusong Pinoy. Our collaboration with our architects and Habitat for Humanity, pupunta rin kami ng Bohol. So makikita natin yung iba't ibang magagandang tanawin sa Bohol. So sana samahan nyo kami sa aming first ever episode for season 9.
Okay. We'd like to reiterate that we have this
partnership. Ang sasagot, pero paano po nabuo yung connection with Habitat for Humanity? Yon. At saka paano tayo nakabuo ng ganitong concept?
I think I can best explain it, no? Kasi TV8 Media, the producer of iHeartPH, has worked with Habitat for Humanity for a different show previously. And then, napakaganda ng collaboration nila. It was very productive. And at the same time, it inspired a lot of Filipinos. And that's why it also inspired the producers of TV8 Media to make this an advocacy. To really inspire Filipinos na kasi mga pinamihiling mag-DIY sa bahay, ganyan, di ba? Pero syempre, gusto natin sabihin sa kanila na, alam niya, it's better minsan to hire an architect kasi mas makakatipid ka in the long run kaysa nagtitipid ka in the short term pero magkakaroon ng mga sira sa bahay or most importantly, hindi pa safe. So that is why it is the show's advocacy to really educate and inform the Filipinos. Parang lahat tayo, di ba? Meron tayong dream home. Dahil pangarap naman natin lahat yan, di ba?
Okay, next question is second question. Paano po mapasok yung mga subject? Susulat ba sila or choice yun ng may research ba? Paano nyo sila pinipili?
The TV8 Media team, yung aming mga napakagagaling at napaka-award-winning na director, our script writers, everyone really collaborates hand in hand with also Habitat for Humanity and to ensure na yung mga topics na ipapakita namin is very, very relevant for the viewers.
Thank you,
Okay.
thank you.
For several years, and then afterwards, iHeartPH went to a different network, and now it's back here at GTV. So I feel like I'm back home. I'm very happy to be back home and to also hopefully work with my former colleagues soon.
So, ang tagal na rin ng iHeartPH. I mean, 9 season is not a joke. Yan. So, anong pakiramdam mo na it lasted this long and parang it will continue pa?
Parang medyo kinilabutan ako, to be honest. Kasi parang it's such a blessing, you know, especially in these modern times. Ang bilis and very fast-paced eh. Yung content ngayon, irrelevant na after 3 days, after 4 days. But, you know, what we can be proud of is that we know that we are churning out good quality content, something that's entertaining, informative, and hopefully timeless. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy pa ang iHeartPH with all of your support.
Okay. Can you tell us
Mentioned
naman?
pala a while ago, she's such an amazing host. So, to me, it's a compliment na naalala nila si Tony when they see me.
Pero hindi ko ba nape-pressure na to build your own name in the industry? Parang ang hirap kung may kamukha ka, di ba?
That is really, really true. Pero I believe naman that if meron ka talagang unique talent that you can showcase to the world, then slowly but surely, the people will recognize you for who you are.
So do you think it's an advantage or a disadvantage?
I wouldn't say it's either. I feel like it's just there. Pero para sa akin, I would like to strive harder to make a name for myself as a host.
Na-meet mo na siya?
Not yet, not yet.
Okay. Pero willing ka kung sakali na invite ka ni Tony na mag-guest dun sa kanyang vlog?
Oh, pwede. Baka sabihin niya, tumitingin ako sa salamin, di ba? Yeah, pero yeah, of course, I would love to meet her.
Si Sir Robinson lang. O kasi